Hello everyone, so how to turn on subtitles on Prime Video on Apple TV. So here you can see that it's a bit different process on Apple TV when you're watching Prime Video. So basically when you're watching the video you won't see this playback menu. To see that you will need to swipe down on your remote touch surface. So just like swipe down while watching Prime Video content, and then you will need to swipe right or left like to see the subtitles and audio menus, and then you will need to just choose the language and the or subtitles you want to use. So here you can just then select language, swipe down, and there you have it. There you have it. So if you don't see SDH or you want to turn on closed captions by default, you can go to settings, genre, accessibility, subtitles and captioning, and then choose closed captions and turn it on. So there you have it.